Hi friends, it's me, Cookie, and today I have a really fun outdoor activity for us to do, so let's go! First, we need to cut this into a circle. This is just a normal piece of cardboard. So this is more of an oval than a circle, but it will work. Our lion, he needs a face, so let's give him some eyes, nose, and whiskers. All right, now let's move on to his nose. Fill that in. Now time for his mouth. And now, don't forget, these are super important. They're little whiskers. Our lion is almost complete. Now we're going to need to make his mane. This part, you're going to just poke holes all over this. Now that we punched the holes all the way around it, now we can go outside and start our activity. We're outside and now we're looking for something specific to put in for the lion's mane. Let's look around and see what we can use. These are nice, but they're not yellow like the lion's mane. These have yellow, but are not quite what we're looking for either. Let's see if we can find just a yellow flower. That's more like it. We can use that. Let me show you. You don't want to break it off too short so we can put it through. And there we go. There's his first one. Walking around looking for some more. Oh, here we go. Here's some more. Just make sure when you're pulling them out of the ground that you're not doing them too short. We need them nice and long in order to work out well. Starting to come together. Look how it's turning out so far. Isn't it just lovely? Let's get some more. Here's some more. We're almost done. This is so much fun, and I'm getting a lot of exercise too. This is the last flower that needs to get pulled through. It's complete. Look at our lion. Isn't that so cool? It is such a creative project, and it gets you outside, out in the weather, walking around and enjoying it. Well, friends, I had a great time with you today. Getting outside is the best thing you can do for yourself. Get yourself some sunlight and just try to get a little exercise in. That's what we did today when we walked around the yard, and we're looking for all of these. These really did come out amazing, and I always have an amazing time with you. And I hope you guys keep coming back for more and more fun with me, your friend Cookie. That's Kookie, and that would be me. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more and more fun.